In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay on eBay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process through the app or through a web browser on your computer or your phone, as I'm doing here. On the official Afterpay website, you can just use the search bar at the top to look for eBay, and as you can see, while we do not get the official eBay store option, we do have access to the eBay gift cards options, sold straight from Afterpay. Through this method, we can buy gift cards that we can use to add balance to our eBay accounts and make the purchases we want directly with these gift cards. If you want to buy something specific from eBay without having to buy gift cards, some users have reported that they have the eBay option when they open up the app and not the website, as I'm showing you on screen, and you might be able to find it there. Like I said, this depends from user to user, and as you can clearly see here, I do not have the eBay option, as some people also claim that they do not see eBay listed. Maybe if your account is more trusted and it has more time of usage, you might see the option, but for most users, they only have access to the eBay gift card options. Regardless, make sure you go through your app and check to see if you have access to the eBay store. If you do not see eBay or eBay gift cards, sadly there's no workaround to it and you just have to contact the Afterpay support. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on eBay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.